How to attach a Google Drive file to your email. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I will be showing you how you can easily attach your Google Drive file to your email. So first up, simply open up your Google browser and just make sure you are logged into your mail, Gmail, and just search in for google.com and mail.com. So once you're inside here, Gmail, just click on compose. So since you want to send your drive link or drive files, what you can do is just head over to your drive. Here's the easy method for you. So just open up your drive, and once you open up your drive, just make sure you are logged into your account. As you can see, I've already logged into my account. So once you're inside here, share your particular file. Let's say I want to share this particular file. You can also actually access your drive folder from over here, like insert files using drive. You can simply click on it and open up your drive and just tap on my drive from over here, and it will directly show you all types of files inside of your drive. So what you can do for now is you can, let me just show you a quick way. So since I want for example this file to be attached as a link or as an attachment, so simply click on any of the choice you like, and once you do that, now all you have to do is just select the recipients from over here and select the subject. So like this. So once you select the subject and select recipients, once you do all of these credentials, login credentials and details over here, click on send, and you can successfully send your drive files as a link to your particular recipient. So what you can do in the next method is just head over to here. You can also share your files like this. Let's say I want to share this particular file over here. So what I will do is click on this three dot icon over here and click on share, and from over here just tap on share. And once before I click completely share it, just make sure it's not restricted and click on anyone with the view, anyone with the link. What it does is basically everyone can open the file. So since it's a survey form, I will be selecting this as a restricted because I am the editor and I am the one selecting the view. And if it's on a responder view, just make sure it's with anyone with the link, since anyone should be able to respond the form. So once you do all of that, just click on copy responder link and share it on your any social media platform like Messenger, WhatsApp directly. So that is exactly how you can include or attach your drive files on your email. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.